The pyramids of Egypt are among the most mysterious structures ever built, and even today, many people still try to figure out how ancient humans could create something so massive, so precise, and so advanced without modern tools. For thousands of years, these enormous structures have continued to stand out, not only because of their size, but also because of their almost perfect precision, which has led many researchers to question whether something more advanced was involved. Some researchers have even pointed out that the Great Pyramid is aligned almost perfectly with the Earth's directions, and some believe it also connects to the stars, especially the Orion constellation, which raises questions about ancient knowledge of astronomy. This makes people wonder, how did ancient humans figure out such complex systems without modern science? Another mystery that people often bring up is the way the stones were moved. Some of the stone blocks weigh more than several tons, yet they were transported and placed with incredible accuracy, without machines, cranes, or modern technology. Many theories try to explain this, but none can fully account for the extreme level of detail and organization involved. Because of this, some people have come up with a more unusual idea. What if humans were not working alone? According to certain theories, ancient Egyptians may have come across advanced knowledge from outside sources, possibly from highly developed beings. These beings may have passed on knowledge about construction, mathematics, and even energy. Some researchers even point to ancient carvings and symbols, which they believe may represent unknown technology or contact with non-human intelligence. Although these ideas are still debated, they continue to draw in attention. There are also theories suggesting that the pyramids were not only tombs, but possibly part of a larger system. Some believe they may have been connected to energy, sound, or even natural forces of the earth, although there is no clear scientific proof. These ideas may sound unusual, but they continue to come up in discussions because the pyramids still hold many unanswered questions. At the same time, many scientists strongly argue against these theories. They point to clear evidence showing that human workers built the pyramids using tools, planning, and teamwork. Archaeologists have found out that workers lived nearby, and they have come across tools and structures that support this explanation. This suggests that human skill and organization were powerful enough to complete such a massive project. Even so, the mystery has not disappeared. The pyramids continue to stand as a powerful symbol of both human achievement and unanswered questions. They make people look for new answers, explore new ideas, and challenge what we think we know about the past. So, who really built the pyramids? Were they created entirely by human intelligence? Or is there something more that we have not yet been able to figure out? The answer remains uncertain, and perhaps that is why the pyramids continue to fascinate people all around the world.